Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new transcript project, open the app and tap the plus icon. Select your audio source, live mic, uploaded file, or a video clip, then pick language and an accuracy mode for faster or deeper processing. Make sure to set the expected speaker count so the app can separate voices effectively. Once done, press Start. The app immediately uploads and queues your audio for analysis, and you will see a progress meter that estimates time remaining and expected completion. Now you refine the raw transcript. Play the audio at half or quarter speed to catch unclear words, and use the waveform to jump to exact moments. Highlight any segment to change text, assign or merge speaker labels, and insert timestamps where needed. Apply the automatic punctuation tool to clean sentence breaks, and then manually correct proper names, acronyms, or technical terms the engine missed. Make sure to save periodically. Autosave helps, but manual saves prevent accidental losses during long edits. Finish by exporting in your required format, plain text, Word doc, or subtitle files like SRT or VTT, and pick verbatim versus cleaned copy depending on use. Then share directly via link, email, or connected cloud storage for collaboration. If you encounter sync or upload failures, stop and re-upload the original audio, check your network, and retry. Clearing the app cache or restarting the device often resolves residual issues. Finally, confirm timestamps and speaker order before delivering the final file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.